This is going to be a short video, but what you're going to learn, you will be able to test and diagnose every single safety switch out there. There are tons of different kinds, tons of different ways they work. You'll know what to do. All right, what we're going to be talking about is horseshoe mode, your ohms setting. See the little horseshoe right there? That's your ohms setting. Doesn't matter if you have a cheap one or a little more expensive one. This is still cheapy. But what you want to do is go around here. All you're looking for is you see how the screen looks on here now. And then when I touch it, it goes almost to 0. Something like that, okay? See, it went to 0. Or in this case, what I'm going to do is go to the horseshoe mode here. And this one I'm going to use for the testing today because this one actually has a beep. And you see OL right there right now. And when I touch them, hear the beep. So with these few different safety switches, you can see 2-prong, 4-prong, 4-prong. With these few, you'll be able to diagnose them all. And I'm still going to show you that secret tab on a safety switch on your seat. So let's start with this one. When you go to look up these switches, look up your model number and serial number and be sure you get the correct switch for your machine. Now, I am in the ohms setting. Nothing is happening like that. But when I touch them, hear the difference? This is so simple, folks. I'm going to put a clamp. It doesn't matter which way you put these on. It's just a switch. Now, something to take note of. When you go to push in the switch, do it slowly and listen. Do it slowly and listen. As you slowly push it in, sometimes as these things age, they'll get a dead spot in them and they'll trick you. You'll think they're good, but they're really not. This switch, of course, is brand new. Steady beep all the way through the press. Now we're going to talk about a 4-prong switch. These are really simple and they are different colors. Maybe mounting is different. They may be reversed or whatever. Does not matter. All you need to know is we're testing from flat to flat, not this way to this way. We're testing back and forth. So let's just hook up. I'll tell you what, let's just hook up right here. I'm going to hook up right there. And then I'm going to probe this right here. Nothing. Okay? So let's go to the other side and see what happens. Now I just put the clamp on that one and we're going to hook up to that one. We have a beep. That means we have continuity. Now watch this. Got continuity. I'm going to mash the switch. Goes away. Continuity goes away. Now the other side should be just opposite. Without hitting the button, we got continuity. We go to the other side. And it should not have continuity. Nothing. I mash the switch. We have continuity. These are opposite. You see what I'm saying? Really simple. We're about to show you that tab that I was telling you, that secret tab on the seat switch. Welcome back to Rayleigh's Small Engines, your Get to the Point channel. I'm T-Bone. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you like it. Share these videos with your friends. Let's get back to the video and testing. Okay, so a 4-prong switch. Got 4 posts on it. This is basically the same thing. It's the big button style. But these work basically, you test them the same way. You want to test the outer, and then you test the 2 inner. Now the way we'll do it, cut my meter on here, and I'm just going to hook up right here to the outer one, and we're going to touch the other outer post. Mash the button, it should quit. That switch is good. Now we're going to test the inner we're in right here. Continuity, no continuity. That's all it is, folks. Now, are you ready for the secret? Let me show you the secret. The secret is this little tab right here that pokes out between these terminals. This one also has one, and believe it or not, there's a reason for it. Let me show you. Here's another button switch that is a two-prong. It also has a little tab sticking out in the middle. Let me show you what that's for. There's a ton of road noise out here. We're under the seat of a riding mower, and I unplugged the seat switch. You can see right there. Now, what we were talking about, those tabs that stick out, what it does, I'm gonna see if I can show you this one-handed here. What it does, there is a little button right there in the center of this plug. And what that does when you plug it up, it pushes in that button as another part of your safety switch. So that's the purpose of that. See if I can get you a little better view. See the little button right in the center, that little square button? That's what it pushes in. There are a few different styles of these. Folks, I hope this video helps you out. I hope I did a good enough job explaining it. Appreciate you guys watching. Click that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, maybe leave a comment down below. We love reading those comments. We sure do appreciate it. Share these videos with your friends. We'll see you next time.